Today we'll discuss some examples on pin jointed plane frame, pin jointed space frame, rigid jointed plane frame, and rigid jointed space frame. So this is example 1. Determine the degree of static indeterminacy of the pin jointed plane frame as shown in figure. So this is your the pin jointed plane frame, and you have to find out the degree of static indeterminacy of this frame. So first you find out the number of reaction components. So the number of reaction components is your here. This is hinge support. So here 2 reaction. This is roller support 1 reaction. This is also roller support 1 reaction. So the total number of reaction is your equal to 4. 2 plus 1 is your equal to 4. Then you find out the degree of external static indeterminacy. So this is the formula. DSC is your equal to R minus 3. R is the total number of reaction component minus the 3 static equilibrium equations you are available for pin jointed plane frame. R minus 3. So R is your equal to 4 minus 3 is your equal to 1. So the degree of external static indeterminacy of this pin jointed frame is your equal to 1. Then find out the internal indeterminacy. So for internal indeterminacy, so you have to count the number of joints and number of members. So here first you count the number of joints. How many joints are in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The number of joints is equal to 16. Then count number of members. How many members here? The total number of members is equal to 35. Then you know the minimum number of members required to preserve the geometry of the plane. M dash is equal to 2j minus 3. Here j is your 16. 2 into 16 minus 3. This is equal to 29. Then you have to find out the degree of internal indeterminacy. DSI is equal to m minus 2j minus 3 or m minus m dash. M is equal to 35 because here m is 35 and 2j minus 3 is 29. So m is greater than 2j minus 3. So you have to find out the degree of internal static indeterminacy. DSI is equal to m minus 2j minus 3. M is 35, then 2j minus 3 is equal to 29. So DSI is equal to 6. Then the total degree of static indeterminacy you can find out by adding the degree of external static indeterminacy and the degree of internal static indeterminacy. DSC is equal to DSC plus DSI. Already you got DSC is equal to 1. Then DSI here we got 6. So the total number of degree of static indeterminacy is equal to 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. And the degree of static indeterminacy also you can find out by alternative formula. You know this is the direct formula. So here in this formula you have to find out the total number of unknowns and total number of the joint equilibrium equation. Joint equations, static equilibrium equations. So m plus r is the total number of unknowns and total number of the joint equations. Static equilibrium equation is equal to 2j because at each joint there is 2 static equilibrium equations is required. The total number of static equilibrium equation at all joint is equal to 2j. The difference between this number of unknown forces and the total number of static equilibrium equation of the joint. So this will give the degree of static indeterminacy. ds is equal to m plus r minus 2j. So m plus r is equal to 35 plus r is equal to 4. 35 plus 4 and minus 2j. Here you know j is your 16. 2 into 16. Then after simplifying, here you got this is the degree of static indeterminacy is equal to 7. Then coming to the question 2, determine the degree of static indeterminacy of a rigid jointed plane frame. This is your rigid jointed plane frame. And you have to find out the degree of static indeterminacy. So first what you have to do? First you have to find out the total number of external reaction components. Here you see, so this is your fixed end. So how many reactions are here? Three reactions. And this is also fixed end. Here also three reactions. And this is a hinge support. Here two reactions. And this is roller support. Here one reaction. So the total number of reaction component is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. 3, 3, 6. 7, 8 plus 1, 9. Total number of reaction component is equal to 9. Then you find out the degree of external static indeterminacy. DSC is equal to R minus 3. R is the total number of reaction component minus the available three static equilibrium equations. You have to deduct R minus 3. So this is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Then you have to find out the degree of static internal indeterminacy. Degree of static internal indeterminacy, DSI. You know, this is the rigid jointed plane frame. So when there is your closed chamber, or closed chamber, so this is your statically indeterminate structure. So you have to convert it to the determinate structure. So what you have to do? You have to make a number of chords so that the structure will be open shape. So how many chords is required to make it open configuration? How many chords required? Here you see, this is closed, all chambers are closed. Here one chord required, so this will be open. Here one chord required, this will be open. One chord, this will be open. One chord, open. One chord, this is open. One chord, open. This is the chord. And here also chord, this is open. This is open after, and this is open after cutting this member, and after cutting this one, this is open. Now this is your open structure. Like a trick shape. Then you can find out how many chords required to make it open configuration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 chords is required to make it open configuration. C is equal to 12. The number of chords is equal to 12. Then you can find out the degree of static internal indeterminacy. DSI is equal to 3 into C. Any chord, there is the release of the three forces. Already we have discussed in the previous classes. DSI is equal to 3C. So 3 into 12. So this is equal to 36. So the degree of internal static indeterminacy is equal to 36. And the degree of external static indeterminacy is equal to 6. So the total degree of static indeterminacy is equal to DSC plus DSI. DSC is equal to 6 plus 36 is equal to 42. So this is the answer. Also, you can find out in alternative formula. For alternative formula, you have to count the number of members. Here, how many members are here in this rigid jointed plane frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So total number of members is equal to 35. Then how many joints are here? Count the number of joints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So total number of joints is equal to 24. Then you know directly what is the formula to get the degree of static indeterminacy. DS is equal to 3m plus r minus 3j. Because 3m plus r is the total number of unknown forces and 3j is the total number of joint equilibrium equations. So the difference will give the degree of static indeterminacy. You got here M is equal 35. 3 into 35 plus R. R is the 9. 3 into 35 plus 9 minus 3 into J. J is the number of joints. 24. 24. So here you got 42. Now both are same. Both are same. So this is the degree of static indeterminacy of a rigid jointed plane. Then coming to another example, we determine the degree of static indeterminacy of a bowstring girder as shown in figure. Assume all joints are rigid. This is also rigid structure. This is also rigid jointed structure. Here also the same formula you have to apply. The total number of independent external reaction component R is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, because this is the hinge support and this is the roller support. Here 2 reaction component, here 1 reaction component. So the total number of reaction is equal to 3. Then find out the degree of external static indeterminacy DSC is equal to R minus 3. 3 minus 3, R you got here 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So the degree of external static indeterminacy is equal to 0. Then you find out the degree of internal static indeterminacy. Here this is also rigid jointed frame. Here also this is the closed chamber indeterminate structure. So you have to make it to the determinate. So you have to make the number of chords so that the structure become the open configuration. Just to start from here, here 1 chord means this is your open, another chord here, this is open, 1 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 chord here, this is open. Now structure become the open configuration. How many chord you took here? How many chord? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 chords required to make the structure, indeterminate structure to determinate structure. Degree of internal static indeterminacy DSI is equal to 3 into C. C is the number of chords. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Then you find out the degree of static indeterminacy. DSC is equal to DSC plus DSI. DSC is equal to 0 you got here, and DSI is equal to 24. 0 plus 24 is equal to 24. So this is the degree of static internal indeterminacy. This is the static indeterminacy of the structure. Then in alternative method you can find out by counting the number of members and by number of joints, and also you know the number of reaction components. So using this MRJ you can find out what is the degree of static indeterminacy. First here you count the number of members: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So total number of members is your 23. Then count the number of joints: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The number of joints is equal to 16. And the reaction is equal to 3. Then by putting this formula 3m plus or minus 3j, so you can find out what is the degree of static indeterminacy. 3 into 23 plus 3 minus 3 into j, 3 into 16 is equal to 24. This is the same answer you got using this alternative method. Then coming to this example, so here we will find out, I will determine the degree of static indeterminacy of a rigid jointed building frame as shown in figure. This is your space frame. This is rigid jointed space frame. Building frame means this is your space structure. Rigid jointed space frame. Here you see this is your this is the story 1, 2. Here this is the frame, space frame. This is the support, fixed support. So first you find out the total number of independent external reaction component. So here you see in space frame, so at the fixed end, there is your 6 reaction component. 6 reaction component here. Space frame and at the fixed end, there is your 6 reaction component. So 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So how many reaction? Total reaction is your 6 into 6, that is your 36. Total reaction is your 36. Then find out the degree of external static indeterminacy. Degree of external static indeterminacy DSC is equal to R minus 6, because here 6 static equilibrium equations are available to solve the external reaction component. So here you have to take R minus 6. In the case of pin jointed plane frame, you have to take R minus 3 to get the degree of external static indeterminacy. But in the case of space frame, you have to take DSC is equal to R minus 6. Here you know 36 R, 36 minus 6, this is your 30. So the external static indeterminacy is equal to 30. Then you have to find out the degree of internal static indeterminacy, DSI. So DSI is equal to 6 into C. 6 into C. Why are you taking here 6? Because at each cut, there is 6 forces are released at each cut. In the case of space frame, so at each cut, there is your release of 6 forces. That's why the DSI is equal to 6 into C. So the number of cut is required to make it open configuration, or to change it to the determined structure is equal to C is equal to 16. Then you find out the degree of internal static indeterminacy. DSI is equal to 6 into C. 6 into 16 is equal to 96. Then find out the degree of static indeterminacy. DSC is equal to DSC plus DSI. 30 plus 96 is equal to 126. So the total number of degree of static indeterminacy is equal to 126. And also you can find out in alternative method, you have to count the number of members, and you have to count the number of joints and the number of total number of reaction components. Then using this formula, the degree of static indeterminacy DSC is equal to 6m plus R minus 6j. Because at each joint there is your 6 static equilibrium equations. So that's why the total number of equation of all the joint is your 6j. And total number of unknown forces is equal to 6m plus R. This is the member force, this is the reaction component. Total difference gives the degree of static indeterminacy. DS is equal to 6m plus R minus 6j. So first you count the number of members. Here you count the number of members. How many members are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 6, then 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then here 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 vertical. Then 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So M is equal to 38. Then R is equal to 36. Total number of reactions is 36. Then joint is 24. 24 joint. Just to see a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24. Joint is 24. Then find out the degree of static indeterminacy. DS is equal to 6m plus R minus 6j is equal to 126. This is the same answer you got here. You can find out either from this method or from this method. What is the degree of static indeterminacy of the rigid jointed space plane? Then this is also another example. Determine the degree of static indeterminacy of a pin jointed space plane. This is your pin jointed space plane. Pin joint. This is pin joint and the space plane. This is space plane, 3-dimensional structure. All the vertical and horizontal panels are cross-braced. All vertical, this is your vertical and horizontal are cross-braced, means there is a diagonal bracing. Here also you can find out here total number of independent external reaction component R is equal to 4 into 3. So in the case of pin jointed space frame, that is this is the support. This is the support. So you have to find, you have to take the total number of reaction. The number of reaction at the pin jointed space frame is your 3. Here rigid jointed, here you have to take 6 at each joint, at each fixed end. But in the case of pin jointed space frame, at the joint, so you have to take the 3 number of reaction component. So the total number of reaction is equal to 4 into 3. Here 4 joint, pin joint, and at each joint there is 3 reaction. So the total number of reaction is equal to 4 into 3. 12. Degree of external indeterminacy is equal to degree of external static indeterminacy is equal to DSC is equal to R minus 6, 12 minus 6. This is your 6. Then you find out the degree of internal static indeterminacy. First you find out the actual number of members. You have to count the actual number of members. Here you see this is 1, 2, 1, 2. First to count the vertical members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then count the horizontal. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. Then count that the diagonal number. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35, 36. So member is equal to 36. Then joint is 12. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Joint is 12 and reaction is equal to 12. Reaction already you have calculated here 12. Then you can find out the degree of static indeterminacy is equal to DSC is equal to M plus R minus 3. M is equal to 36 plus R is 12 minus 3 into 12. This is equal to 12. So either this method or this method, you can find out the degree of static indeterminacy of the pin jointed space plane. Now all are clear that how to find out the degree of static indeterminacy of a pin jointed plane frame, pin jointed space plane, then rigid jointed plane frame and rigid jointed space frame. Then coming to the next structure, this is a hybrid structure. What is a hybrid structure? Skeletal structures having some of the joints as pin connected and some are rigid connected, and that type of structure is called the hybrid structure. In hybrid structure, there are some joints are pin jointed and some joints are rigid connected. So this type of structure is called the hybrid structure. So in hybrid structure, so you can find out the internal indeterminacy of a plane frame with a hybrid joint. So this is your per plane frame as 3C minus summation of M minus 1, and for the space frame, you can find out the degree of internal static indeterminacy 60 minus summation of 3 m minus 1. The number of independent direction components required to replace a plane structure with the hybrid joints by a rigid jointed structure, because you have to convert the hybrid joint to rigid joint by taking this equation, summation of m minus 1, where summation has to be carried out for all the pin jointed in the hybrid structure. So how many pin jointed in the hybrid structure? So at each pin joint, you have to carry out this one, summation of m minus 1. M means the number of members which meet are the pin joint. Number of members which meet are the pin joint. That you have to find out at each pin joint. Then you have to find out the summation of m minus 1 of all pin jointed. Then that you have to deduct from the 3C, because when you want to find out the degree of internal static indeterminacy of rigid jointed plane frame, so this is the equation 3C. But in the case of hybrid structure, so you have to convert the hybrid joint to the rigid joint. So you have to deduct this much of the forces, reaction forces. That is 3C minus summation of m minus 1. So dSi is equal to 3C minus summation m minus 1. And in the case of space plane, this is equal to 6C minus summation of 3 m minus 1. So using this formula, you can find out the degree of internal static indeterminacy of a hybrid structure. Here you see in this tabular form, you have to remember this one. Here given end condition of the member or type of joint. End condition of the member or type of joint. This is, and here number of unknown member forces for plane frame and for space frame given for plane frame and for space frame. Similarly, the number of equations of static equilibrium is also given for plane frame and space frame. Here you see when rigid joint at both ends, when the member rigid jointed at both ends. In that case, you have to take the number of unknown forces, member forces for plane frame is 3 and for space frame is 6. Then this one, when the member one end is rigid jointed and other end is pin jointed. So that case, you have to take the number of unknown member forces for plane frame 2 and for space frame 3. Then here, when the both ends of the members are pin jointed, both ends of the member are pin jointed. That is pin joints at both ends. When both ends of the member is pin jointed, so that case you have to take the number of unknown member forces for plane frame is 1 and for space frame is 1. You have to remember this one. Both end rigid joint means you have to take plane 3, space 6, and one end is your rigid, another end is your pin. So plane 2 and space 3, and both ends are pin jointed. So the plane frame you have to take the number of member unknown forces 1, and for space frame is also 1. Similarly, the number of equation of static equilibrium for plane frame and space frame is given rigid joint. For rigid joint and for plane frame, you have to take the number of equation of static equilibrium is 3, and if this is your space frame, and you have to take the number of equation of static equilibrium is equal to 6. If the joint is a rigid joint. If the joint is pin joint, and in the case of plane frame, you have to take the number of equations of static equilibrium is equal to 2, and in the case of space frame, you have to take the number of equation of static equilibrium is equal to 3. So you have to remember, so how many equations, static equilibrium equations for rigid joint and for pin joint, and how many member forces, unknown member forces, when both ends are rigidly connected and both ends are pin connected, and one end is your rigid and other end is your pin for plane frame and space frames. The degree of static indeterminacy of a hybrid structure can be determined using the above table and by getting the total number of unknown forces and total number of static equilibrium equations. Because you know the second method is you are depend on the total number of unknown forces and total number of static equilibrium equations. So that difference will give the degree of static indeterminacy. Because here you know that for different end connection and connecting members, show what is the number of forces, and for the different joints, what is the number of static equilibrium equation. So using this table, you can find out what is the degree of static indeterminacy of hybrid structure, or also you can find out for other structure also you can find out. Coming to one example, then you will be clear. So this is one example. Determine the degree of static indeterminacy of a hybrid plane frame as shown in figure. This is a hybrid plane frame. So hybrid structure means there is some joints are rigidly connected and some joints are pin connected. Here you see. So which one is your rigid and which one is your pin connection? So this one is your pin connection, pin joint. This one pin joint, 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 pin joint, pin joint. And which one is your rigid connection? This one is your rigid connection, this one rigid connection, this one rigid connection. These are the fixed end. Fixed end means this is your rigidly connected. So first you find out the total number of independent external reaction component. First to find out the independent external reaction component. Here you see this is fixed end, so the total number of reaction at the fixed end is equal to 3. Here fixed end 3. Here this is fixed end 3. This is fixed end 3, and this is your hinge support 2. 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 12 plus 2 14. So total number of reaction is equal to 14. Then find out what is the degree of external static indeterminacy. So the degree of external static indeterminacy is equal to, in the case of plane frame, R minus 3. R is equal to 14 minus 3 is equal to 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. So the degree of external static indeterminacy of this hybrid plane frame is equal to 11. Then find out the degree of internal static indeterminacy. So for internal static indeterminacy, here you count what is the formula. This is your hybrid plane frame. So the first, this is the formula. DSI is equal to 3C minus summation of m minus 1. Summation of m minus 1. This is here see the number of chords required, and m is the number of members at each pin joint. You have to count the number of pin joint. Here you see here how many pin joint? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pin joint. 7 pin joint. 7 pin joint. BDFH, IKM. So 7 joint. Here also you count the number of member meets at each of the pin joint. Number of member meets at each of the pin joint. Here you see, so this is your B, D and F, and this is H and this is M. At the B, how many member meets? 3 member. And at the D, how many members meet? 3 member, BD. Here 3, B 3, D 3, and F, how many members? 3 members. And H, how many members? 3 members. And at M, how many members? 3 members. So B, D, F, H, M. So here 3 members meet. The number of members meets at each of the pin joint B, D, F, H, M 3. Then here you count the another 2 joint. The number of member meets at each of the pin joint IK. Here you see I. This is the pin joint I. So here how many member meets? How many members meet? This is 1 member, this is 1 member, this is 1 member, this is 1 member. 4 members. And at K also, how many members meet? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 members. 4 members. 4. So these 2 joint, there is your 4 members meet. Total number of members meet at each of the pin joint IK is equal to 4. Then you find out the summation of m minus 1. So here, how many joints? 5 joints. Here how many joint? 5 joint. 5 joint, 3 member means 5 into 3 minus 1. And here how many members? 2 members IK. How many members? How many joints? 2 joints IK. And how many members meet at this joint? 4 members. So 2 plus 2 into 4 minus 1. Then the summation of m minus 1 is equal to 16. Then you find out the degree of internal static indeterminacy. And how many chords required to make it open configuration here? How many chords required to this structure? This is one chord, another second chord, this is third chord, this is fourth chord, fifth chord, sixth chord. So 6 chord is required to make it to the open configuration or to convert it to the determinate structure. Then you find out the degree of internal static indeterminacy, DSI is equal to 3C minus summation of m minus 1. C is your 6, 3 into 6 minus 16, this is equal to 2. Then find out the degree of static indeterminacy, DSC is equal to DSC plus DSI, 11 plus 2 is equal to 30. Now you are clear that how to find out for the hybrid structure the degree of static indeterminacy. Also in alternative method also you can find out, just to see here. So in alternative method you have to find out the total number of unknowns, means the total number of unknown member forces plus support reaction. The number of, first you have to count how many members both ends are rigidly connected and how many members one end is your rigid and another end is your pin joint, and how many members both ends are pin jointed. But first you have to count this one. First you have to count here. Here you see how many members are both ends are rigidly connected. This is rigidly connected, this is your rigidly connected. This member is rigidly connected both ends, and this member is also rigidly connected both ends. 2. So 2 member is rigidly connected. 2 member is rigidly connected at both ends. 2 members are rigidly connected at both ends. 2 members. 2. Number of members with rigid joint at both ends, 2. CG and GJ. Then number of members with rigid joint at one end and pin joint at the other end. This is 11 members. 11 members. One end is rigid, another one is a pin. Here you see this is rigid and this is pin. First, then this is pin, this is rigid. Second, this is rigid, this is pin. Third, this is rigid, this is pin. Fourth, then this one is your 5 rigid and pin. Then this is rigid pin. 6. Then this is rigid pin. 7. This is rigid pin. 8. Then this is rigid pin. 9. Then this is rigid pin. 10. Then this is rigid, this is pin. 11. So now here you got 11. The number of members with rigid joint at one end and pin joint at the other end. A, B, B, C. Here the detail is given. Then the number of members with pin joint at both ends. Here you count pin joint 6 members at both ends. Here you see this is both end is your pin joint at 1. Both end is your pin joint at 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And this is 6. So 6 members both ends are pin joint. Pin joint. Then you know, so from the table, from the table you can find out. Here you see the table. So rigid joint at both ends means for plane frame 3, you have to take the number of unknown member forces are 3, and rigid joint at one end and pin joint at other end. The number of unknown member forces is 2. And pin joint at both ends, the number of unknown member forces is 1. 3 to 1. Then here you put this one. 2, this is your rigid connected, 2 into 3. And this is one end pin and another end rigid. So 11 into 2. And here this both end is your pin jointed. So this is 6 into 1. Because when both end is your pin connected, pin joint, so the number of unknown member forces are equal to 1 from that table. So the total number of unknown member forces are equal to 34. Then you count the total number of external reaction component. Already we got this is 14. Already you got this is 14. Then find out the total number of unknown. Then you find out total number unknown. Total number unknown is equal to total number of unknown member forces and the total number of reaction component. 34 plus 14. 34 plus 14. This is equal to 48. So this is the total number of unknown forces. Then you find out the total number of equations at a joint and support. There is a number of rigid joint. You have to count the number of rigid joint and you have to count the number of pin joint. Because at a rigid joint, there is 3 equations per pin joint per plane frame. And at the number of pin joint, you have to count. So at a pin joint, there is 2 equations for the plane frame. On the table, you see here. So for rigid joint, number of equation of static equilibrium for plane frame 3, and for pin joint, number of equation of static equilibrium for plane frame, this is your 2. So you have to put this, and you have to count how many number of joints are rigidly connected joint. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rigidly connected joint is 7. Then count the pin joint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7 is your pin and rigid is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 7. 7. Number of rigid joint 7, number of pin joint 7. Then you can find out the total number of equation of static equilibrium. 7 into 3 plus 7 into 2 is equal to 35. So this is the total number of equation of static equilibrium. Then you can find out the degree of static indeterminacy is equal to total number of unknown forces minus total number of equation of static equilibrium. So total number of unknown forces is your total number of unknown forces is 48, and total number of equation of static equilibrium is 35. So here you got the degree of static indeterminacy is equal to 30. Also in previous method also here you also got 13. So either from this method or by using that table, you can find out what is the degree of static indeterminacy of a hybrid structure.